What we're looking at in front of me is the Storm Drain range. Now, I would call this a complete drainage system because it's not just straight lines we're talking about. It's solving a lot of your drainage issues and problems and making you look like a pro. For starters, you can buy them in lengths of 1 meter or 3 meters. Plus, we have these clever little connectors that fit into the honeycomb. And the honeycomb's not just there for good looks, it's actually there to bind into the concrete footings and wrap around it. So this is even stronger and sturdier and you're guaranteed less movement. Now I'll take that off and show you some of the fittings that you can put on the end. For starters, you can buy 90-degree corners. So you could go left or you can go right with them. Then you can buy T intersections. So in other words, you can go left and right. Sounds like we're building roads. And you can buy a main 4-way intersection and that'll create 4 different ways for you. Now, if you want to cap it off, you can buy end caps. You just put them in there, run a rim of silicone around it, or you can buy them with a 90mm hole in them and it's perfect for your stormwater to be picked up from the side and moved away to your drainage. Another great idea is these slimline or inline drainage pits. Now, the reason why I like them is they click in exactly like the rest of the system, but you've got that clean line. So if you've got something, say, running along your driveway or in front of your garage, it's not broken up with this big box that doesn't fit in. It's nice and clean. Now, everything you're looking at there is 100% recycled plastic. So it's good for the environment and it's 100% Australian made. So it's great for our country. And if you want to trick it up, you can take the grates out, you can get stainless steel and galvanized versions, or there's other colors in the plastic range. Other than that, I think the reason why it is so good around the house is because it's pretty much click together and you're going to solve all the problems when it comes to drainage. For your nearest retailer, so you can get your hands on it and touch and feel it and make sure you're getting exactly what you want, all that information is on our website.